How to redeem a Roblox gift card. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do exactly that. So let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is open up any of your web browser and then simply type in roblox.com. And once you go to roblox.com, just hit enter. Make sure to log into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in here. I'm just going to quickly turn off my desktop site. So I'm going to continue in my browser here. What happens is if you want to claim a gift card, what you would usually do is go to roblox.com and you're going to have to edit this URL and then type in redeem, hit enter, and you'll be directly taken to a page where you can redeem your Roblox codes. So if you have a gift card and you have the numbers, you could just enter the code here, click on redeem, and whatever the value is, it will be added to your Roblox credit, which you can use to further buy Robux in-game and purchase in-game items. So that's how you redeem Roblox gift card. If this was helpful to you guys, be sure to hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.